Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and we're going to try a little trick. So, if you happen to see this video, it worked. If not, you won't know about it. So, we're going to try this for a second. So, we're going to do 1 second as soon as I can find it with my... I'm looking through my phone. So, we're going to do that because we need to start off with the fact that it's going to beep. So start. Nope. Now start. Come on. Okay, so it beeps, right? So if this works, I won't have to hear that. Let's see. Hey, so now we do that again. Check that out. It no longer beeps, so you don't have to hear about it. So I'm going to see if it reverses it. So, alright, open and close. 1 second. And it reverses it. So, now I don't have to hear that annoying beep, and I can change it back when I move out. So what you do is you hold down number 2 until it beeped like that, like this. So you hold number 2. And then when it beeps like that, it is now no longer going to beep when it turns off. So, like if I'm microwaving the stuff for making tea or something, I don't have to, because I just set it and go do other things. So now it will turn off that annoying beeping sound. And I don't have to come out here and do that and stop what I'm doing, and which can distract me. By the way, hello. I do need a haircut. But anyways, this is no longer going to beep now. I believe so. I mean, oops. I think I set it back to that setting. Yeah, so there you go. Cool little trick, hey? Hopefully it helps some of those people that are annoyed by the beeping, and if you are involved in something and you don't have time to come out here and open the door or cancel the thing so it stops, it just ends and it will be like this. So when you come back out, you know it's ended, and then it goes just back to normal. And then if you're renting, you can always return it back to that function when you move out. All right, everybody, that's a little trick that I just learned, and I wanted to see if it worked. So I figured I'd record it for you all. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you and your friends and family safe. Bye for now.